Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing this makeup here. Just a simple fall look because I feel like I have not done one and it's not orange. It's a lot of browns, a little bit of olive green. Very like sultry type of look. It's not like, I don't know, it's a fall look but it's like a fall sultry look. Definitely something you could wear to like family Thanksgiving, you know, where it's just like just enough of something. So also, if you didn't notice, I think I put this at the end of my video, but I cut my hair, did like an A-line cut. I went complete extreme, like I just chopped off all my hair, and my hair definitely appreciates it. Trying to just get it back to good health. Did go more blonde, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. If you want to see how I created this makeup look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime with the Wet n Wild 3-in-1 coconut primer. This stuff is really good. You just spray it and pat it into my face. And excuse all my marks. Like, I gave myself a deep facial, so we gotta cover some stuff up big time. Moving on to foundation, I'm gonna be taking the Flower Beauty and the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Warm 2.5. Oh, you know what? I think I'm just gonna take the warm. Let's go ahead and pump a flower. Who cares? Okay, anyways. So I'm just gonna pat this all over my skin. I'm gonna apply with the brush first, and then we can go in with the Beauty Blender. Alright, now taking my Morphe sponge, I'm just gonna go in and blend everything out. And I'm looking really light with the shade, but nothing we can warm up without bronzer. For concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Light, and with the LA Pro Conceal in the shade Neutral, or is it, yeah, Yellow Corrector, and I like to just blend the two. So I'm just gonna apply it underneath the eye. And I'm just gonna go in with the yellow corrector just under the eye, just blend it in with the concealer, so that way we kind of have like a nice shade underneath the eyes. Nothing too crazy. Alright, then I'm just gonna go in with this Laura Mercier, I don't know how to say it, and just go underneath the eyes. So I really love cream contouring, so I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Chubby Stick. I'm just going to go on the nose here, up here a little, down the side. I usually go in with like a bronzy shade, but I don't know. Just going to blend it downwards. I take my primer and wet the brush just a little bit. It helps move the product around, and then just dab it on here. Alright, so I still look a little ghostly, and I also look like I have a lot of darkness on my face, which is because I accidentally used well, I used the darker shade. So moving along, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face really quick with powder. I'm just gonna beat this brush here. Who knows what it is? It just has, it's an e.l.f. brush, and I'm gonna dip it into my powder and just set everything. Alright, next, moving on to bronzer. Recently, I've been taking these 3 Anastasia palettes, or these compacts. This is in the shade Tawny, just like a nice bronzing shade. I'm just going to take it onto a fluffy brush. And just grab whatever brush to contour the sides of my nose. just like barely dab tawny and then just run it down the side, the bridge of my nose. Just run it up here. I need to pluck my eyebrows, they're like crazy right now. Moving on, I like to go in with the shade Mahogany. I think I'm not going to use Cappuccino. I'm going to go in with Mahogany with the Luxie 512 and just start contouring. I try not to bring it down like past here, anywhere close to the mouth. I just leave it on the upper part and run whatever's left over to the temple. Like that, and then I go ahead and take the big fluffy brush and just blend everything out a little more. Going back into the translucent powder, I'm just gonna clean up my contour. And then just taking a fluffy brush and cleaning off the bake. Come in. Alright, for blush, I'm going in with this shade Sunny Spice. It's really pretty. It's the only blush that I ever purchased from Mary Kay. Yeah, Mary Kay. And I think it's beautiful. Like, it's just a perfect fall shade. See? Just gives you like very nice color. I've been really loving this highlighter, like when I'm really bronzed. I know it's Wet n Wild, and I want to say it's the Golden Crown or something like that. And I'm sorry about the damn, what is it called? Alarm thing. Never in my life have I changed it. After that, I usually set with the Morphe, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use this because this MAC is just like chilling. Moving on to the brows, I'm gonna go in with the shade Ebony from Anastasia. So I'm just gonna dip in my brush, and I'll probably just fast forward through this, honestly. I'm gonna prime my eyelids using my concealer. This one, the same one, Maybelline Superstay. Go ahead and set them with just a little bit of the powder. I always just bake my eyelids as well. I think I'm gonna use the same palette that I used last time just to create like a fall look. No, I'm actually just gonna take a shade from here. We're gonna go in with, let's see, I'm gonna go into the Mary Kay shadow, the blush that I used, and we're gonna use that as a transition. I'm just gonna throw that into the crease. And this is the Sigma E40. The next shade is gonna be coming from the Naturally Pretty, I think. Is this what it's called? Yeah, Naturally Pretty palette from IT Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with the shade Sunset. Everything has like a sun name or something. It's gonna apply this to the Morphe M518, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease as well, but just a little lower than the previous shade. Just work it from the inner to the outer. Thank you. And then just going in with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend everything out a little. Right, and I'm gonna take a break because my husband, my awesome-ist husband, cooked me some chicken, which is 0 points on Weight Watchers, and some jasmine white rice. So I'll be back. Okay, so we're gonna go into some browns. I'm gonna use like an oldie but a goodie. This is the chocolate bar palette. All right, so I'm gonna go into the deep dark chocolate color here in this palette, and I'm gonna go in with a really small brush, and I'm going to start putting this in the crease and just kind of like right into the crease. This is the M562, and it just helps you get like a really precise placement of the shadow. Up here in a little bit some more, but for now I'm gonna go onto the lid. I mean, yeah, cut the crease. I don't really have much of a lid to work with anyway, so I'm just gonna go here and just look up. I don't even know what shade I want to do on the lid. I do want it to be a little bit sparkly. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this green. I'm going to apply this green from the Morphe. It's called Drive Through. Just like a really pretty olivey, shimmery gold green. I'm going to pop a shade in the middle. It's going to be the Glam Rapids. It's like a green tint. And I'm just gonna go right into the middle just to give it like a little pop. And we're gonna deepen up the crease just to fix all this. I'm just gonna go back in with that little tiny brush and just apply more of that dark brown. So I'm gonna grab a different brown. I'm gonna go in with the brown that's in this palette as well. I'm telling you, I love this palette. Going in with High Dew. And I'm just gonna work that into the crease to deepen everything up. I feel like that chocolate bar palette is just not cutting it. Oh yeah. Jeffrey would have been like, why are you using Too Faced anyway? Because I don't know if you guys are watching the Shane Dawson series, but psh, I'm so invested in that show right now. It's not even funny. I can't wait to get the Shane Dawson palette. Let me know if you're gonna get it as well. Yeah, the colors look so pretty. If they're anything like this palette, like I'm telling you, I can't wait. Oh yeah, look at this brown. This is exactly what I was looking for. And the chocolate bar was just like failing me big time, big time. Okay, so much better, so much better. And for the lid, I'm not super convinced. The highlighter that I went in with on my face, I'm just gonna, oh yeah. So you still have like the green peeking through, but then you have like this beautiful gold. Just adding. So I'm also gonna go back in here with this palette and just highlight the brow bone. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the NYX black matte liner, and I think this is the one that's almost out, but I'm just gonna line. Okay, so I'm doing a thin line. Hopefully I can do it on this side. If not, I'm gonna go and make the other side thicker. And I'm gonna go in and apply some mascara. This is the Best Extreme from Jordana. I'm not like a fan of any mascaras. I do wear false lashes, so it doesn't really matter, but the bottom, I for sure need to get myself another MAC Extended Play mascara because that's like the best. It just makes your lower lashes look so long. Doesn't do much for my top, but then again, I have short lashes, so that's why. With the highlight as well, just taking this highlight everywhere today. With Welcome on the Jeffree Star palette. And Designer Label. Yeah, that one's a lot prettier. A lot more sparklier. Yeah, that is the inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I just quickly popped on some eyelashes. And now I'm just gonna apply lip color. Apply Honey Love with the shade Creme de Nude on top. Alright, and that is the completed look. This is just a very wearable fall color look. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're not yet, and hit the notification bell just so that it notifies you when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.